Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved my quote-unquote icy blue hair color. I love this stuff. I will be listing the products that I use down below. So just you can be sure to check down there to see what I used to achieve this style. So I am working on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and I'm just sectioning it off, the front from the back. This is how I'll start off any twist out that I do. Definitely be sure to add in the leave-in so it does not dry up in the front before I can get up there. Alright, so I'm starting off by just doing some finger detangling. I have some of my leave-in conditioner already in, and my hair is damp, so I'm just adding in my Texture ID styling cream, as well as using the Tangle Teaser just to make sure those two products are worked in. You definitely want to make sure you have a good moisturizing base before adding in your color. If not, the color will flake and it won't last as long. It's going to dry out really quickly. So the key to this color is making sure you have a good moisturizing base and make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in the color. The blue color is just so vibrant. The blue one is probably my favorite out of all the colors. And as you can see, you do have to be careful with the color. It can get messy. You see my hands and kind of my ear a little bit, but it washes right off with water, so there's nothing to worry about. It's just make sure you have on a shirt you don't really care about when using it. And you'll just see me going in with a small tooth comb, smoothing it in and twisting it up. And of course, make sure you twirl your ends. And then that is what it will be looking like. And so just make sure we're doing some finger detangling and working in our products before we add in the color. Detangling and moisture is the name of the game for making sure that your color comes out vibrant and that it lasts. And there I am about to struggle with the two pieces again. If you saw my last video, you know what I'm talking about. So if you have not, it is still there. You guys can definitely go ahead and watch the last video of just how I do a regular 2-strand twist out. Alright, so my head is majority of it's done, and this is what we're looking like. Color is nice, vibrant. Hair is moisturized, it's soft. I know it's going to be a good twist out, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the end results, but we got to get through this part first. I kind of gave y'all the Uncle Ruckus eye a little bit. and glop some on my forehead. But again, doesn't matter if it gets on your skin or anything, it washes right off with water. And this is the final product. Hair is still wet, but twists are done. Feeling good, looking good. Color is so vibrant. I'm so happy with this twist out because, like I said, I know it's gonna be a bomb one. This is the next day. It's dried down. I did sit under the dryer just to make sure it was gonna be good. And whenever I do my twist this small, which is almost always, definitely want to take them out in sections like this, just so you don't, 2 days go by and you find like a random twist in the middle of your head. And look at that definition. The texture ID by itself, I get crazy definition. So the texture ID and this wax, oh my goodness. And whenever I'm taking my hair down, you definitely want to make sure to twirl the ends around your finger just to reinforce the curl that you did when it was wet. Yeah, another thing I like to do is that little tug on the twist. It just kind of loosens them up so that when you go into separate, parts of it will kind of separate itself. You want to kind of take it apart to where it already is splitting, if that makes sense. And again, just twirl it around your fingers. And as I'm taking my hair down, just pay attention to what my hands are looking like. As far as the color, it's pretty good, it's pretty long lasting, but if you touch your hair a lot or you have something that's constantly rubbing against your hair, the color will wear off. So that's just something to keep in mind if you ever wanted to use the hair paint. You just have to make sure your hair is not going to be touching something constantly. So you have to be aware of like the clothes that you have on. And if your hair is super long, you probably don't want to wear a white shirt with the color because it's going to rub off on your shirt. The takedown process is so therapeutic for me. I just love it, especially when I know it's gonna be bomb. I just love it. So I wanted to give y'all a close up on the definition, on the color. So excited. I just love when it comes out good. It's like all that work that you put into your hair, you want it to come out good, and it did. I'm not surprised because I have used this product a couple times, but this is the first time that I've used the product and my hair is this soft. Like I wish y'all could feel it. It was so soft and it still had this amount of hold. So the product combo, the base is huge when it comes to using the color. Y'all also see the eyeshadow? Yeah, I was planning makeup that day. It went with it, So we are pretty much done. I'm just making sure I got every twist out. And I leave those front two in for a couple of days just for longevity. But these are the final results. These products are so good. Highly recommend if you want to change your hair up. But just thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you guys so much.